Ginger's natural wonders. For centuries, various natural remedies have been used to aid in relief from nausea and to bolster the immune system. This powerful herb is not only used as a popular spice in many culinary dishes, but also has a long history of medicinal usage. In this article, we will explore two of the key benefits of the root: its ability to relieve nausea and boost the immune system. Nausea is a common condition that can be caused by various factors such as motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, chemotherapy, or even certain medications. Nausea is a common condition that can be caused by various factors such as motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, chemotherapy, or even certain medications. Ginger has been known to help relieve nausea and its associated symptoms. One of the active compounds in ginger, called Gingerol, is responsible for its anti-nausea properties. The presence of Gingerol, one of the active compounds found in ginger, is known to provide anti-nausea benefits. Gingerol works by decreasing the activity of the muscles in the stomach, which helps reduce the feeling of nausea. Ginger can be very beneficial for alleviating the symptoms of nausea. It can help to reduce the feeling of queasiness and can even lessen the production of certain chemicals in the body that can cause the sickness. Studies have shown that certain natural remedies can be as effective as traditional anti-nausea medications, but without any side effects. In addition to relieving nausea, ginger also has powerful immune-boosting properties. In addition to providing relief from nausea, ginger also has strong immune-boosting benefits. The immune system is our body's defense against disease-causing agents such as viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. A healthy immune system is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. Ginger contains antioxidants that help in fighting off free radicals in the body. Antioxidants found in certain foods can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress and reduce the body's ability to fight off disease, weakening the immune system. By consuming ginger regularly, you can boost your immune system and decrease the likelihood of getting sick. Furthermore, ginger has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can combat infections. Ginger has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are a vital part of the body's defense against illness. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, which is often caused by an excessive immune reaction. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, which in turn can alleviate symptoms of conditions such as colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. There are several ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine to reap its benefits. Ginger is a great addition to any diet and can provide numerous health benefits. Incorporating it into your daily routine can help you take advantage of all that it has to offer. One of the simplest ways to add a spicy kick to your tea or hot water is to grate some fresh ginger into it. Drinking a warm beverage can provide a soothing and comforting feeling, while also helping to strengthen your immune system. You can also include ginger in your cooking by adding it to stir-fries, curries, soups, or even baked goods. You can also add ginger to your cooking by throwing it into stir-fries, curries, soups, or even baked goods. Its distinctive taste adds an enjoyable zest to meals while also imparting its beneficial effects. If you don't enjoy the taste of ginger or find it inconvenient to use fresh ginger, there are supplements available in the form of capsules, tablets, or powders. If you don't enjoy the taste or find it inconvenient to use fresh ginger, there are supplements available in the form of capsules, tablets, or powders. Supplements provide a convenient way to incorporate beneficial ingredients into one's daily routine and reap their rewards consistently. Ginger is one such ingredient that offers numerous advantages when taken regularly. However, it is important to note that ginger may interact with certain medications or medical conditions. It is essential to be aware that ginger may interact with some medications or health conditions. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any dietary supplement into your daily regimen. In conclusion, ginger is a versatile and potent herb that offers numerous health benefits. In conclusion, this herb has multiple advantages that can improve one's health. Its ability to soothe the stomach and bolster the body's defenses makes it an essential part of any health and well-being plan. Ginger is an incredibly beneficial ingredient that can provide natural relief and support for a healthy body and mind. Whether added to cooking, consumed fresh, or taken as a supplement, it can be an effective way to promote wellness,